Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Unang yalam kalyang persya u Dr. Mukul sangma. Ulakan takjur ya ka Jingkren jong Myntri katanat kampo Pohïing ka jilla u batlak men rembui. Habaya day ba ka Jong Jong u babaro Kadei nakadaw jong ka Jing duna breu ha katanat pulet bante lakam yakani ka kambean. Ula ongru balada duna breu balai ka sorkar kam pendap hagitu ki jaka batheli. Ula ongru baman la usnam kam duna ya ka saus pak teli ki kam ha katanat pulen. Ki theli nakadaw jong ka Jing song that ban na ki weiru ki daw.
Which is not very healthy. So we would have been happy to have the 5 other members still fulfilling their responsibility as members of the opposition, but anyway, that's a different story now. But 12 of us will be there in the opposition, and we will do justice to the responsibility vested upon us as effective, constructive, responsible opposition, and take up various important issues. And the important issues, though there are many, but one or two of these important issues which I think we should be sharing before you will be the so-called issues pertaining to the proposed amendment to the 6th Schedule of the Constitution of India, which is still pending. And another issue is pertaining to the the whole contentious issue pertaining to the Meghalaya-Assam border areas of differences and the resolution thereof. And other important issues are there, lack of opportunities for the youth, no new spaces for employment for the youth created over the last few years, and there's a complete accumulation of aspiring unemployed youth, increasing in number on a yearly basis, which is alarming. And at the same time, the loss of opportunities for our people, the local entrepreneurs, how the local entrepreneurs have been robbed of their opportunities and have been displaced by the businessmen who have been patronized by the government, and in many ways which revolves around again the alleged irregularities and allegations of corruption pertaining to various departments, favoriting some few contractors, thereby displacing many of the upcoming promising entrepreneurs of the state. Those are issues which are obviously serious issues and matters of concern before us, before the people. And in addition to that, number of problems pertaining to the problems being faced by the farmers, and then how post-pandemic, how obviously the first wave of the pandemic and second wave of the pandemic, and then we are still in the third wave of the pandemic, how people have had to go through the hardship, and then the interventions of the government by this statement. And when they find difficulty in responding, they have to give you a response anyway. So you can further ask, what is the reason of having this shortage of manpower? What has stopped them from filling up the vacancies of so many police posts? There are more than 300 to 400 posts which fall vacant every year. How many times have they recruited to fill up the vacancies? We are not talking about creation of new posts. We are talking about the normal vacancy which usually takes place after retirement or after so many other factors, maybe premature death or whatever of the employees. But these particular vacancies in police departments are usually 300 to 400 every year. And therefore they have to understand the challenges associated with the manpower management, the management of the resources in as far as policing is concerned. Tell me one instance where the issue of alleged illegal coal mining issue was brought before the government. Tell me one instance when government was prompt in responding. Okay. What happened to that case pertaining to the attempt to murder of Kong Agnes Khyllung and Amita Sangma? What has happened? What is the background? The background leading to that situation, the circumstances leading to their being a victim of such that murderous attempt. It all leads to illegal mining and illegal transportation. Now, please remember one thing. If all of you go to the coal-bearing districts in the state, what you will see? You will see the evidence indicative of continuation of illegal mining. Okay. Now, if this continuation takes place in spite of repeated attempt of the stakeholders, the public, the citizens, the NGOs, and other whistleblowers, including the opposition,